Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Today I received a small order that I had placed basically to replenish my 60 ml syringes that I include with each set of PGI 29 cards. I had completely run out. I can't believe that I have gone through 20 of these syringes. So that means I've sold 20 of those kits and I still have more. I only have 3 of the original ones that I set up left, and I have boxes and boxes of carts that I need to empty out and then remove the chips and mail them so that they can accept the Precision Colors chips for the PGI 29s. But I have also been receiving a few of the more expensive papers, and this is only by getting them as sample packs. And as you have seen in some previous videos, I had tested a few of the Hahnemühle and I think one of the Ilford papers that my friend sent me. But here we have the Fine Art Inkjet paper pack. This is the glossy Fine Art. And today I did another one, and I will show you that in a second. This is the Ilford Gallery Prestige Discovery Pack, and I also did one of those as well. But today I received Canson Infinity's sample pack, and it says here, develop to exceed museum standards, this premium inkjet paper offers an exceptional beauty and character to create black and white and color photographs as well as fine art reproductions using the purest natural materials without chemical substances that contribute to premature deterioration. Canson Infinity brings the beauty of fine art and traditional photography to the world of digital printing. What they mean is that there are no OBAs in this sample pack of how many? 12 different papers. Unfortunately, it's only one sheet per, so I better not mess up. Let me remove my glasses so I can see up close. We have 12 different papers. PMK Printmaking Rag 310 GSM, Velen Museum Rag 250 GSM, Edition Etching Rag 310, Rag Photographique 210, Rag Photographique 310, Platine Fiber Rag 310, Merida Photographique 310, Photo High Gloss Premium RC 315, Photo Gloss Premium RC 270, Photo Satin Premium RC 270, Photo Luster Premium RC 310, and then Aquarella Rag 250 GSM. Wow, that's going to be a lot of fun. In there I will find something that I'm sure I will love. But today, in fact, just a few seconds ago, and I want to tell you, the PRO-1 is one hell of a printer, but my Lord, and I think it has to do with possibly the fact that I had a original Chroma Optimizer card in there, so you might recognize that chip as being original and the rest being Chinese or single use. But it did a massive cleaning cycle because I haven't used it. Yes, I know. I should do what I preach. Well, I've been busy and I just haven't used it for several days, and it threw a pretty large cleaning cycle, which then brought a lot of the other cartridges to low, and it brought the Chroma Optimizer to what it referred to as empty. The funny thing is that even at empty, I still pulled out probably 12 ml of ink. Okay, so that goes to show you that these chips do underreport, and in a way that is good, because you will not be literally running out of ink like you would if the cartridge chips would be reporting ink accurate. In other words, ml for ml. When it reads empty, you still have some ink left in the cartridge, and since you're going to refill anyway, you might as well just add your ink to the existing ink that's left in the cartridge. Not a problem. This print here is some Hahnemühle Fine Art Photo Rag Pearl 320 grams. I fed it through the manual feed. I used anti-vibration setting, and it is magnificent. I cannot believe how gorgeous this paper surface is. Wow. I don't know. The video will not do it justice. By the way, this is a gorgeous photograph of the Eiffel Tower directly centered in the middle of the tower underneath it and shooting straight up. So I'm sure this was done on a tripod, and a lot of alignment procedures were done to get this gorgeous shot. Beautifully exposed as well. But just the results are just magnificent. And this would be awesome for a large print. The blacks are deep, and this is using photo black, by the way. And I love it. I'm sold. Hanamiel, not bad at all. Okay, the next one here is on Gold Mono Silk by Ilford. This image is a little bit weird, and this paper is kind of a glossy. It looks very similar to old-fashioned glossy paper, and it printed beautifully with the PRO-1 using Chroma Optimizer, of course. This image looks just like that on the computer. I did not alter it. It's kind of an odd edit, just kind of really painterly looking type colors, almost unnatural looking, a little bit eerie kind of effect, the sky, and just the colors overall of the walkway, full of moss and green and algae growing on it, and the beautiful oranges of the dried grass around it. And again, all of these images I downloaded from a free site. And please don't ask me what this site is. I really, they just come from different places. Some of these I got from a gallery at the Deep Preview or the DP Review site. So just go ahead and search, and you will find lots of different sites that you can download images from. This one I also downloaded and printed it on QImage as I did with the other two. This is on my San Gabriel 1.0 using the San Gabriel Red River profile for the PRO-1 using OEM inks. And it is gorgeous. My grandson's going to love this photograph, as he is rabid about trains. I mean, he is crazy about trains. And I'll tell you a secret, it's all my fault. I trained him well. All right, that's it for now. Short video. As you can see, I have enough papers here to last me several months worth of playing around with. And I just found out that I can get a Moab sample pack as well. And that one has a ton more types of paper. I think something like 15 different types to each. So that'll be a lot of fun as well. All right, thank you once again. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.